Welcome, this is the part 2 of the vending machine with SMS and interactive device. So we upload the code again and then we will explain now the SMS features of this device. So we now initialize the GSM. So when it starts, after some time you'll see a text. They will receive a text. I will turn off the lights, the flash. Okay, so we can now see a text from our system. It tells us system is ready. Now I set the coin vault to 30 pesos. We can just set it differently. First, we'll just try to test again the functionality of buttons A and B and the LCD. So I'll place 10 pesos. You can see the credit now will become 10. I'll make it 20 pesos. Now, with 20 pesos on my credit, I can buy item A, which is 13 PHP. That's item A. You can see the light is turning blue and the stepper motor is turning, and you can see that we can just change that angle of revolution. It's just simple coding, and the delay, how much time it needs. But now the credit is 7 pesos only, 20 minus 13. So I will press change. Say I've finished buying, press change. See, it will become 0 and the server will move. For the delay again, we can just add that. Okay, it's easy. It's an easy code. So now the vault only has 23 pesos. My code tells us that if the coin vault, the one that gives us change, is less than 20, it will, shall we say, it will notify us. So again, I'll place 20 pesos. And since it only has 23 pesos left, let's say I'll buy item B for 9 pesos. You can see it's on, and then this one will turn, motor B will turn. Now the money will be only 11 pesos left. My credit, 20 minus 9. By the way, for the LCD, sometimes it does that, so you can just adjust the contrast very well. It's very easy. And now I will get my change. So earlier it's only 23 pesos left on our change vault. So if I get 11, now it will only become 12 pesos. So that's less than 20. I will expect a message from the vending machine. So I'll press change. Okay, the credit will now be 0, but it will tell you coin vault will be low, and then it will send us a message. This blue light will tell us that it is sending a message. It's now processing. Actually, we can see it here. Turn off the, you can see it here. You can check the message. The amount of change coin is already low, 12 pesos left. So it's exactly 12 pesos. It will tell us how many pesos left on your coin change vault. Now, let's go to the SMS features. Let's say, since you received this text, you will place now 100 pesos to the coin change vault. So after adding, you need to text it. Okay, I will text it. You need to tell it that you add 100 pesos, or you need to reply to the system and tell it add 100. Okay, add 100 pesos. So that means you add 100 pesos. So I'll send this one. Okay. I should send. So actually we can check on our serial monitor what's happening. So received from this. Actually you can check it here also. It will light. Okay. The message is add 100. And then SMS sent to the number. So now will text us this message after adding 100. It text us 100 pesos were added to your coin change vault. Now it has 100 plus 12. You have 112 on the coin change vault. Let's say I will place 110. Okay, so the credit is 10, 20. Okay, I'm placing 10 pesos over and over again. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Say I placed too many coins. I just want to change all my 10 pesos to 1 pesos. That's possible with this device. Let's say I place 110 total credits. So our coin change vault has 100 as 12 pesos left, and then we added 100. Say for example we already added it and then we text it. So I'll press change. It will become 1 pesos now. Okay, you can see it will tell us the coin vault is low because in simple mathematics you can see that it only has 2 pesos now. It should text us the amount. So let's check our cell phone. Okay, let's check our cell phone. Okay. Earlier it says, now it says your amount of coin is already low, 2 pesos. So as additional features, actually you can check for the balance. I've registered this SIM card of this GSM to CA20, but you can use, I suggest you use AstigText30. So let me reply SBAL. SBAL is a command which tells us the device if about its AstigText30 status. You can actually check it here. Receive SMS from your number, SBAL, sending to SMS processor. The term is SBAL. Okay. And it will send to 8888. Actually, it will ask for the AstigText30. So yesterday I am on AstigText30. So what it says is after the 8080 will reply, tapos na ang AstigText30 mo, mag-unlimited texting, and then that message will be forwarded to me. I mean to you, to the user. Okay. Salamat, tapos na. So that's because I have registered the SIM card to C20 Combo 20. But I prefer you use AstigText30. It's 5 days unlimited texting. You don't need call for this setup. And then it's 5 days unlimited texting for 30 pesos. So this command will actually ask how many hours left of your AstigText30. So if your unlimited texting is already expired, actually you can register it. You just need to load the SIM card. Okay. You send 30 pesos load there, and then you text it, you command it how to command it to register. Okay, seems like I cannot focus this one. So how to command it to register on only, the keyword is only 30. Okay, if you text only 30 to the device, let's check on the serial monitor what it's receive SMS from blah 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 only 30, processing SMS from your number only 30, the message is only 30. Stop processing. Oh, what does it do? It will send message to 8888. That message is actually asking text 30. Okay. So, the 8080 will not reply. Sorry, ikaw ay nakaregister sa combo all 20. Okay, CA20. So, which is I've registered na hindi pwedeng kasabay ng okay. And that message, this SIM card will send message to 8888, right? And then 8888 will reply syempre to this SIM card. But this SIM card must forward it to you, to the user. Because you are this does not understand anything. So it's just a device. Okay. Sorry ay ikaw ay nakaregister sa combo 20 na hindi maaaring gamitin kasabay ng Astig Text 30. Okay. So actually I don't have load. The SIM card has no load and it's still on combo all 20. So this the device will listen. So if you need to register it, you see that my device is not texting now. Maybe it has no load. It's not unlimited anymore. Just load it 30 pesos and then text only 30. It will register to unlimited texting. So thank you. I think that's the whole system. The simple modifications, those simple part of systems, the unnecessary. That's not those beautification part can be easily done. Like say for example, the lighting LED. It's not that hard. So thank you for listening. This is a very wonderful idea for a project, and we tried hard to make it work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.